Hello everyone, How? This is me again, Mrs. Cheng. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to cook seaweed soup with tofu. Let's start! So the ingredients of this soup are water, seaweed, ginger, seafood cube, rice wine, sesame oil, dried shredded codfish meat, pinch of salt, pepper, tofu, and onion leeks. And that's it, we're done! So easy to cook and real quick, right? If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!